This tiny insect you hear on warm nights is called a cricket insect. But that chirping sound doesn't come from its mouth. Male crickets make it by rubbing their wings together, a process called stridulation. They chirp to attract females and communicate with other crickets. Some species can chirp thousands of times in just 1 hour. Even more fascinating, scientists can estimate the temperature outside just by counting a cricket's chirps. So when you hear that sound in the grass at night, you're listening to nature's tiny musician. Cricket.